How to log out Discord from other devices. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log out your Discord account from other devices. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Discord app and now tap on menu in the top left corner. Now tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Now here you will see devices option. Tap on it. Here you will see your current device you are logged in, and under it here you will see other devices your Discord account is logged in. So if you want to remove from a particular device, here you will see the cross sign in the right. Tap on it, and if you want to remove from all of devices at once, you can tap on log out all known devices. But if you are logged in on some older devices, so here Discord says you should change your password to log out of these old devices that may not be shown here. So guys, this is how you can log out your Discord from other devices. Thanks for watching.